recipe stars, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm bringing you a culinary masterpiece that's close to my heart. Before we dive into the delicious world of puff pastry, I want to take a moment to express my gratitude to each and every one of you. Your support means the world to me, and I couldn't do this without you. So please, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Your help in promoting my recipes is truly appreciated. Now, let's talk puff pastry. Did you know that this flaky delight originated in France during the 17th century? It's amazing how something so simple yet versatile has captured the hearts and taste buds of people worldwide. From sweet to savory, the variations of puff pastry are endless. Today, I'm excited to share my twist on this classic recipe. In addition to the traditional ingredients like butter and flour, I've added a flavorful combination of onions, mushrooms, parsley, and shredded chicken. Each ingredient brings its own unique benefits to the table. Onions are rich in antioxidants and can help lower cholesterol levels. Mushrooms are packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin D and selenium, which support immune function. And parsley adds a burst of freshness while being rich in vitamin K and antioxidants. To enhance the flavor, I've seasoned the filling with pepper, salt, and chicken stock, creating a savory masterpiece that's perfect for any occasion. And let's not forget the nutritional benefits of chicken. It's a lean source of protein essential for muscle repair and growth. But what makes this recipe even more special is its significance during Ramadan. Packed with protein and nutrients, it provides the sustenance needed for those fasting during this holy month. Before we wrap up, I want to encourage you to keep subscribing to my channel for more upcoming recipes. Your support motivates me to keep creating and sharing delicious dishes with you. And don't forget to leave a comment to let me know how you like this recipe. Your feedback means the world to me. And as we wrap up today's video, here's a final chuckle for you. Why did the puff pastry break up with its dough partner? Because it needed some space to rise. Remember to keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Thank you for joining me on this culinary journey. Until next time, happy cooking!